Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about one of the most required digital products people are searching for on other platforms. And nowadays, we live in a digital world where people sell and buy digital products every day. So first of all, what the mean of digital products? Digital products, they are the non-physical products that don't need any transportation, shipping or something like that. Just through downloadable, clickable link. So in this video, I'd like to focus on an amazing digital product that is YouTube thumbnail. Yes, you heard him right, YouTube thumbnail. And YouTube thumbnail is the most tedious task every single YouTuber faces during his workflow, because it takes a lot of time and effort to create an eye-catching thumbnail that grabs views and clicks. So if you are working on print-on-demand business, if you are a designer or have kind of imagination level, so you have to create YouTube thumbnails and sell them as digital products. So in this video, I'd like to help you to create these thumbnails quickly and in brief. And when speaking about YouTube thumbnails, let me show you something interesting. This website, thumbnailplaster.com. Of course, most of you know about this amazing website to create thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, just in 3 steps. So let me show you this amazing one. This platform just offers you 30 thumbnail templates for a lot of niches. 30 thumbnails templates for fitness, dog niche, business niche, and much more. Just 30 thumbnail templates. So what about creating thumbnails for specific niches, like 30 thumbnail templates for fitness, and the other collection for dog niche, and the other for yoga niche, and so on and so forth. Instead of creating just 30 thumbnail templates for all niches, so if you think for a while, just you will find for business niche, if you have a YouTube channel for business niche only, just maximum you will find 3 or 4 thumbnail templates. So instead of that, you have to create a collection for specific niche. 30, 40, 50 thumbnails, and just you can sell this bundle or this collection just for $20, $10, $30, and as you want. Okay, so how to create these YouTube thumbnails and how to sell them as professional digital marketer. I recommend you Photoshop. However, if you are not good at dealing with softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator, so you have to work on Canva.com. Okay, and we can go to this one, YouTube thumbnails. As you see, and here you can put your imagination, your creativity, your passion to make eye-catching thumbnails for specific niches. And here you can create your YouTube thumbnail from scratch, from ground up, or you can get help from these ready templates, as you see, like this one. And here you can add your touch, like change font, elements, some arrows, colors, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see, like this one, as you see, you can change this person, these fonts, these elements, the background color, and so on and so forth. Or you can get inspired by some external websites like this one, dripple.com. Here you can find a lot of inspiration regarding YouTube thumbnails, as you see, in different niches, in different fields. So you can get some inspiration ideas about creating these amazing eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, as you see. Perfect. Okay, in behance.net, as you see, a bunch of amazing YouTube thumbnails. You can get inspired to create yours, as you see. And of course, you'll find a lot of inspiration ideas on pinterest.com, as you see, to create beautiful YouTube thumbnail that grabs scrolling eyes and grabs views and clicks. Okay, or freepick.com. Here you will find a lot of ideas to create beautiful YouTube thumbnails that suit any niche, any field, any topic, as you see. Okay, Let's go back to canva.com. Okay, and after making eye-catching YouTube thumbnails or by using these ready-to-use templates, and now how to sell this YouTube thumbnail as a digital good. There are two options to share this YouTube thumbnail template to your audience. The first one, just you can share this template from here, link sharing restricted, so we can select this one, anyone with this link. Copy link, okay, and here every single one purchases this YouTube thumbnail, he can edit them in canva.com as well. Okay, or the second option, the format that enables people can edit this YouTube thumbnail template on Photoshop or Illustrator. This format is EPS or PSD format. So how to get this format in canva.com? Simply feast your eyes to this amazing trick. Firstly, you can go to this one, share, okay, and download. And here in this option, you will not find EPS or PSD format. So we have to select this one, PDF standard, as you see, PDF standard, okay, and download this one as a PDF. Perfect. And by the way, it is the best format to share these such templates, okay. And now go to this awesome website that's so called photopea.com. It's like Photoshop, okay, and online platform. So here we can file, open, and select our PDF of our YouTube thumbnail template. As you see, and here you will find your template into some layers. As you see, all graphics, vectors, images in your template are converted into layers, as you see, to be easily editable for every single person. Perfect. And now we have to download this awesome template as a PSD format. So we can go to this one, file, and save as PSD format. So click over that, as you see, and just save it, and so on and so forth. So we can create your eye-catching thumbnails in specific niches, as I said before, for fitness, yoga, dog niche, business niche, eye-catching YouTube thumbnails by these ways. Perfect. And now where we can sell these templates? There are many ways to sell your digital products, or specifically YouTube thumbnail goods. The first method, you can sell your YouTube thumbnails on creativefabrica.com. You can create here a shop to sell your digital products, YouTube thumbnail templates, as you see. Okay, and here you can turn your passion into profit, as you earn up 75% of each sale. Earn a recurrent revenue for your work, your prices. Okay, so firstly, you have to sign up for free on Creative Fabrica and open your shop to sell your YouTube thumbnail templates, your links and PSD formats. Perfect. The second one is templatemonster.com. Templatemonster.com. Here you can sell your digital products, including your presets, your templates, your Instagram templates, and your YouTube thumbnail. And I promise you, many YouTubers are searching for these templates for their businesses to save their time to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Okay, and the third method is you can work as a freelancer on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Legit, Freelancer, and so on, like this one, Fiverr.com. Here you can provide the service as a YouTube thumbnail maker. Okay. And the fourth way, you can work as a freelancer on some platforms like LinkedIn or Dribble.com. Here you can show off your projects and your amazing works. Okay, and if anyone likes your work, so like this one, he can hire you as a freelancer to make these such beautiful YouTube thumbnails as this person. YouTube thumbnail design. Are you looking for YouTube thumbnail for your channel? And so on and so forth. And the method number 5 is by creating your external shop, your private shop, e-commerce shop to sell your digital products, like on spring.com to sell your digital products, or you can create your own shop for free. And for that issue, I recommend you this awesome website that is called coffee.com. Here you can create your own shop to sell your digital products, your YouTube thumbnail templates. Therefore, you can promote your products on social media like Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. As these beautiful guys on Pinterest, as you see here, perfect 50 YouTube thumbnails, attractive designs, as you see. So if you click over this link, you'll be taken to a private shop, WooCommerce, and something like that, as you see. Perfect YouTube thumbnails. Okay, I would recommend you this coffee.com because it's for free to set up your shop to sell your digital goods, including YouTube thumbnail templates. Okay, as you see, open your coffee shop and add digital or physical items in second. No listing fees, no site to set up. Okay, as you see. Perfect. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.